The internet was not designed to be as big as it is today, which means it is fundamentally vulnerable and insecure. Cybersecurity is a protection of internet connected systems from cyber threats. A cybersecurity defense is aimed to provide strong protection against the malicious attacks. The attackers are becoming more organized and sophisticated while we are relying more on internet and IoT based machines than ever before. To have a safe cyber world, cybersecurity is undergoing massive shifts in technology. The advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are already in place to build the robust cybersecurity mechanisms. According to a report by Candice, the companies are spending heavily on cybersecurity, but the number of successful cyber attacks is also higher than ever. The data breach attempts were escalated in 2020 after COVID 19, and more data records were compromised in just 12 months than in the previous 15 years combined. Ransomware attacks surged with tragic consequences as the hospitals were specifically targeted. Cyber attackers have targeted the individuals, medium enterprises, and large organizations worldwide with COVID 19 related scams and phishing attempts. The attackers were on advantage as the situation was unprecedented and people were in panic. Several cyber advisories were published since last year to make the people aware about these phishing attempts. Last year, we also published an advisory on cyber-themed threats in collaboration with State Police Department. But we realized that the variations, appearance, and methods of these attacks were changing so rapidly as compared to the awareness campaigns. This made us realize that the volume and severity of cyber attacks will be the second most important thing to cater in case of any emergency in future. The people who are working to develop better security solutions were never prepared for these sudden growth in cyber attacks. Advanced cybersecurity techniques are expected to quickly identify, respond, and counter these ever growing and novel cyber attacks. While the transformation of cyber attacks is quick and continuing, the cyber defense mechanism is also shifting from conventional response based methods to a proactive and smart security solution to eliminate the cyber threats by introducing stringent and adaptive cybersecurity measures. Way back in 2008, Raphael and Terrace initially talked about this idea that how the models and ideas from evolutionary biology can improve the national security strategies. Nature inspired cybersecurity, commonly known as NICS, comprises of computational methods derived from natural defensive behaviors from various species. NICS may offer many inspirations to cyber enthusiasts to safeguard the critical assets and sensitive data through camouflaging like this leaf insect. And also to provide strong counterattack like this frogfish. NICS is being taken up by the researchers as the robust solution to develop more adaptive and effective security solutions against these advanced cyber attacks. NICS is an amalgamation of nature inspired computing and cybersecurity. Together, they have potential to provide new and innovative defensive methods to safeguard the sensitive data and critical assets from cyber threats. These are some of the general nature inspired techniques which can be further used in cybersecurity after appropriate modifications and fine tuning. We can see here that the nature inspired computing has too much to offer to cybersecurity, while each one of these techniques can further be explored for more intelligent and adaptive security solutions. NICS may provide multiple procedures ranging from executing multi objective optimizations, providing disguise information, and aggregating them for effective implementation of cybersecurity. Hybrid versions of these techniques are influenced by the recent developments in AI and machine learning, which are more promising methods for NICS. NICS, in combination of AI and machine learning, can be an excellent security option against the advanced cyber attacks. NICS techniques can be utilized to provide adaptability, self-organization, resilience, and robustness in the security solutions. The implementation of NICS technique require appropriate analysis on parameters and fine-tuning of optimization. NICS can provide many novel features like autonomous threat detections and resolutions, camouflaging of network architectures, designing cyber deception, and self-healing programs. This figure shows the general framework about how the NICS can be implemented to safeguard the critical assets. The main algorithm of NICS generates the adaptive defense and suggests security decisions to security analysts or take the decisions automatically if configured appropriately. My team and I attempted to explore NICS by implementing the behavior of fireflies for early detection of suspicious nodes. These fireflies monitor the network and alert the intrusion detection system if they find any suspicious node based on certain parameters. You may see that the fireflies are attracting towards the suspicious nodes based on their network activities, thereby generating early alerts for intrusion detection system to take care of these malicious nodes. In another experiment of my team with Liverpool Hope University, we have designed an AI-based network testbed for experimenting with NICS algorithms which can be used by beginners as well. This testbed has different types of networks available to configure and experiment along with a library of NICS algorithms with several attack simulations. Later, we attempted to design a nature-inspired defense against the malicious USB drives, for which we got an Indian patent recently. In this work, we attempted to disguise the operating system information to safeguard the computers as the malwares generally attempts an attack based on this information. The idea is to keep the malicious code busy with the disguised operating system while the proposed device scans and categorizes the malicious USB drive that is recently attached to the computer. Let me give you a quick walkthrough with the process. In this demonstration, you may see the moment we have inserted the malicious pen drive to the system, the existing operating system of the host computer, which is Linux, is transformed into Windows. And the device is scanning and finding the malicious files. Here it found one. This malicious file will either get limited access or blocked completely for the host machine by the invented device. Along with the many possibilities, there are many challenges in implementing the nature-inspired phenomena in cybersecurity domain. It is often difficult to understand and mimic the exact relationship and processes of nature and then to implement them for a stable security mechanism. Many of the existing nature-inspired techniques are not explored yet for improving the cyber defense. The ultimate goal of any cyber defense mechanism is to have a strong and robust infrastructure which can deal with the attacks in real time while maintaining the consistency and usability of data in the system. Nature-inspired cybersecurity has enough potential and possibilities to build a self-regulated and automatic defense mechanism to respond to the advanced cyber attacks of future.